Summers are here and the temperature is soaring high. If you are a proud owner of an Aquasquare Lab planted aquarium cube, you might be worried about how to maintain it during summers. In this video, we will share 10 tips and tricks that will help you keep your Aquasquare Lab planted aquarium cube healthy and thriving during summers. Using a digital thermometer will help monitor the temperature on your aquarium at all times. At Aquasquare Lab, we recommend using a digital thermostat that can be controlled through an app on your phone. It shows real-time temperature on your phone, and the fan connected to it automatically turns on when the temperature goes beyond a set limit, keeping your aquarium cool and comfortable for your fish and plants. Installing a fan is another effective way to keep your aquarium cool during summers. The fan will circulate the air and help in reducing the temperature inside the aquarium. We recommend using a fan that can be connected to a digital thermostat, which will automatically turn on the fan when the temperature inside the aquarium goes beyond the said limit. The water filter is an important component of your Aquasquare Lab planted aquarium cube. It helps in keeping the water clean and clear, ensuring the health and well-being of your fish and plants. It is important to clean the filter regularly, preferably once a week, to remove any debris or waste material that might have accumulated inside the filter. Adding a substrate layer at the bottom of the aquarium will not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also help in maintaining a healthy environment for your fish and plants. The substrate layer will act as a home for beneficial bacteria, which will help in breaking down the waste material and maintaining a healthy balance of nutrients inside your aquarium. Adding live plants to your Aquasquare Lab planted aquarium cube is a great way to improve the overall health and well-being of your aquarium. Live plants will help in producing oxygen, absorbing carbon dioxide, and removing harmful toxins from the water. They will also provide a natural habitat for your fish and help in reducing stress levels. Controlling the light is crucial for health and growth of your plants. We recommend using a digital timer to ensure that plants receive the required amount of light and darkness. Too much light can cause algae growth, while too little can hinder the growth of the plants. So a balance needs to be maintained. Testing the water regularly is essential to maintain a healthy environment for your fish and plants. We recommend using a water testing kit to check the pH level, ammonia levels, nitrate levels, and nitrate levels. It is important to maintain a proper balance of these levels to ensure the health and well-being of your fish and plants. Cleaning the glass of your Aqua2 Lab planted aquarium cube regularly is important to maintain its aesthetic appeal and ensure the health of your fish and plants. We recommend using a scraper to remove any algae or debris that might have accumulated on the glass. Changing the water regularly is important to remove any harmful toxins or waste material that might have accumulated in the water. We recommend changing 10 to 20% of the water every week to maintain a healthy environment for your fish and plants. These were 10 tips and tricks to help you maintain your Aquasquare Lab planted aquarium cube during summers. This can also be used by other planted aquarium owners. At Aquasquare Lab, we are experts in planted aquariums, and you can reach out to us for more tips and tricks through our website aqua2lab.com. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.